Rip me out the package. I've been acting brand new. Ain't that what Cardi B said? Who said that? Megan. And you don't want that flapping in the wind when you fry your turkey. Hi. Season me. So Bertha's cleaned up. She's ready to get dressed for Thanksgiving, okay? Hey y'all, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Carlina Davis of Spilling the Sweet Tea. And baby, today we are making a fried turkey. Now, if you want to get up at the crack of dawn and roast your turkey and bake your turkey in the oven, this video is not for you. Baby, we're gonna fry this turkey in about an hour. So I'll be using my Masterbuilt Indoor Turkey Fryer, and while my turkey fries, I'll be working on my side. I discovered a fried turkey years ago, and I have been frying a turkey ever since. And this Masterbuilt Indoor Turkey Fryer is one that sells out every year. So you have to use peanut oil to fry your turkey. So if you have a nut allergy, you're gonna have to just sit this one out because you have to use peanut oil. And when you get closer to the holiday time, you can go to Costco, you can go to Walmart, you can go pretty much anywhere and they sell a 4-gallon jug of peanut oil. It has a min line and a max line. We have over the years added more oil, just a little bit more oil, because once you submerge the turkey in the oil, you don't want the top of the turkey to be light skinned. You need all of the turkey to be melanated and beautiful. When you're removing the turkey from the packaging, have it on a baking tray. You don't want all this turkey juices all over your counter. Ooh, she pretty. Ooh, see? You see how she just skeeted out on my damn counter? That's why you have to have it in a baking tray. You can see Bertha is thawed out, but we're not ready to season her yet because we have to wash and clean her. But let me show you guys, people that are new to frying turkeys or baking turkeys, you have to cut this plastic piece off, okay? You have to also remove the neck. You can put this to the side to make the gravy, but you have to remove it to fry it. And also, the giblets are in here. You have to remove this. You do not want to fry your turkey with this inside. And you need to get this plastic piece out. You just want to take a nice sharp knife and cut off the tailbone. I'm going to remove this extra skin. This was attached to the neck of the turkey. So all you want to do now is clean your turkey. You want to wash your turkey. Bertha is now cleaned and ready to be seasoned. But you have to pat her dry, okay? Even though you're going to inject her, you still want to, as best as you can, pat your bird dry. You don't want to lower it in that oil with it soaking wet, especially with these wings. I'm not going to tuck the wings when I fry it because I want them to be evenly fried. We're going to let her be free. Free Bertha. And then inside the cavity, that's really where you want to make sure you pat it dry. After you've washed your turkey, you want to inject your turkey. I'm using Tony Chachere's injectable Creole style butter marinade. This is tried and true. And all you got to do is shake it up. You don't have to do anything else. When they say Tony Chachere's makes everything taste good, they ain't lying. They are not lying. So you put your syringe in the marinade and just lift it up just like this. Now you want to inject your turkey everywhere. I always start at the breast. Well, my husband does. I'm doing it today, but my husband is the one most of the time that's doing the turkey. You want to make sure when you're injecting your turkey that you get down in that meat and you get under that bone. Okay? Just like that. So I want to get as much of this marinade in the meat as I possibly can. Now them bones are going to be seasoned. My cousins down in North Carolina gnaw on the bones. Baby, they be fighting over the bones of this turkey. I'm not playing because it's that good. So now I'm going to turn her over. I'm going to get the back too because you want to make sure that you get the back of the turkey as well. It's the bonier part, but just try to see if you can get as much meat as you possibly can. Take your time. You want to inject on the inside as well. This is the only seasoning you need to put on this turkey. This ain't chicken, okay? We're not frying chicken. This Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning is the only thing you need. So you want to turn your bird up like this and get some seasonings in there. The next thing you want to do is you want to come up under this turkey skin. You just want to detach the turkey skin, a little bit of the turkey skin from the turkey, because you want to get under here with the seasonings, okay? We're gonna get that leg, that wing, get in that armpit, get in that pit. Stop fighting me, Bertha. And season the tip. Some people eat the tip of the turkey wing. I don't, but some people do, so you want to season it. This is a big bird. This is about a 15-pound turkey. So you want to go pretty heavy with the seasonings. Get a little bit under and then rub that seasoning under the skin. You ain't done. You have to flip Bertha over because this side needs seasoning as well. Hi, season me. Because I'm going to tell y'all, the skin on this is the best part. My husband normally will season it the night before, inject it the night before, and then the morning of Thanksgiving, pull it out, let the turkey come to room temperature, and then you want to fry your turkey. You don't want to put a cold turkey in the deep fryer, okay? So you want to give it at least an hour. This is the basket that comes with the Masterbuilt Indoor Turkey Fryer. You have to spray your basket because if you don't spray it, once your turkey fries, it'll stick to the basket. You want to pat the bottom of it as best you can dry. Set her in this fryer, just like this. She's fitting nice and snug. You're going to use this to lower your turkey in. Very important. And you want to slowly lower your turkey into that oil. But baby Bertha is ready to fry. Let's go. So I have my peanut oil here. You need to allow yourself at least 30 minutes for this oil to heat up. So once I cut it on, you'll notice that the red light is going to be on. When the oil is ready, it'll turn green. But it takes at least 35 minutes for it to heat up. All right, so I'm going to start with my smaller gallon of oil. And it's going to go right in. Add the rest of my oil. And remember I said you want it to go over the max line, just a tiny bit over the max line, because you want your turkey to fry beautifully and be beautifully brown all over. You want to cut the temperature to 375. Y'all see that green light? That means the oil is ready. So you just want to lift up the lid, slowly lower this turkey in. Now all you have to do is close the lid and you're ready to fry, baby fry. So we have our turkey in. You want to fry your turkey 4 minutes per pound. My turkey is 16 pounds, okay? So 16 times 4, 1 hour and 4 minutes. The timer has gone off on our turkey. So I have a nice thick wooden cutting board that I'm going to put here because that's where I'm going to rest my basket on and put this oven mitt on because that steam from this turkey, ooh baby. Make sure this is in the grooves and then slowly pull your turkey up. Baby, she is beautiful. All right, y'all, our fried turkey has fried. Look how beautiful this bird is. So I'm just going to cut my meat thermometer on and I'm just going to inject it into the thickest part of the breast. And as long as it says 165 or higher, we good money. So we need the turkey to rest, but we want it to rest on the wooden cutting board. Easy peasy. And this is why you sprayed the basket so it didn't stick. So it came out looking perfect. Our turkey's cut up. Gonna place her right in the center. And y'all know I had to make a spread. Baby, we got my mama's stuffing, collard greens, mac and cheese, candy yams, some rolls, and you already know, some good old sweet tea. All of the recipes that you see here are in my cookbook, Memories on a Plate, Southern Recipes I learned from my mama. So grab your copy so you can have an amazing Thanksgiving spread like this one. Thank you guys for joining me in the kitchen today and allowing me to share the memories on a plate that mean so much to me with all of you. Until next time, you already know it's spilling the sweet tea approved.